Hello. Today we're doing paper airplane challenge with my friend Josh. Say hi, Josh. And he's going to be going first. We've been doing this for a while because these are as many airplanes we have. He made his own. He made 3 of his own. I made 3 of my own. And my brother made a really good one. And we're going to see which one is the best. So we'll see you after that. Joshua. Okay, we'll see you when we get back. Okay, Joshua, are you gonna go? Go, then go. So, this paper airplane is right there. I don't know, but okay, he has a second one. Oh wait. Come on, I need this one. Okay, wait, no, hold on. Okay, we decided we're gonna do rounds. So, it's gonna be my turn. Josh. Yeah. Josh. Yeah. Film me. Okay. Jack. Are you ready? I made a similar thing. Hold on, wait, I need to check something. Camera, which. Okay, it's better. Now, let me see how far this goes. Okay, so I definitely beat one. I definitely won.
The cat's gonna take it.
No, don't film the cat. Film the plane.
It's a paper plane.
It's obvious that. Oh my gosh. So I know we just got pizza, but we're gonna do round 2 now. So, no, that one's. Oh, that one's mine.
This one.
This
one's mine. Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Yeah. This one.
This is my round 2.
And that one. Okay, so go. Wait. Yeah.
Man!
Joshua,
This one's mine.
that was the one I was using.
Your second one?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, wait.
So there's 6 in total.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one is yours. No, don't hit the dog. Ooh. Well, okay. We'll come back when it's my turn. Hey guys, we're back in the second round. Joshua just won. My turn. No, that's his. No.
Your second one right there.
This is the second round, and now we're gonna go. I'm gonna go with a good airplane. Oh wait, hold on. The one over there is his. That's his first round one.
Let me show you guys the one I had. So it's right there if you can't see it. And Jack, you ready?
I am. So Joshua won round 3.
That's round 2.
Joshua won round 3.
That's 2. We're in round 2.
We won round 2, so whoever wins round 3 wins the tournament. Okay. And it's round 3. And Joshua's gonna go. Go, Joshua. I just have to get past the door to win. So we'll be.
Eat pizza?
Not yet. We're gonna finish our video first. Well, it's round 3. It's gonna be my turn, and then we're gonna do my brother's one because he donated one to see if he'd win. I highly doubt that I'm gonna win. Or Joshua's gonna win. I highly doubt this is. I'm pretty sure this is gonna win, but
What do you have to get past?
I have to get past the door to beat Joshua.
The one right there. What are you doing? That's where my spot was. Ready?
I'm gonna win. Let me go. Let me go.
Let's see. Yes! Yes, I won the tournament.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, we still have my brothers playing.
But all I gotta do is get past
No.
that.
Okay, so.
Let me throw this because I already won.
No,
I beat you.
no. I'm gonna throw this, and we're gonna do it. So. I highly doubt that Joshua's gonna win.
How?
If you don't come in first place, you lose.
I come in second place. You
No,
come in
lose.
third.
You lose.
You come in third.
Job.
Oh, but that's his first round. He doesn't have 3.
No. He only has 1. You're supposed to only use 1 per round. So, it's apparent that Steven's playing.
Apparently,
No,
Steven
stop.
won, but I came in second.
Yeah, apparently that.